Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to be videoing at Bathley Lane Level Crossing. Well, since my last visit in 2020, nothing's changed at all. Okay, the time is 16:14 hours. Saturday the 8th of April 2023. This will be the 16:15 LNER Intercity 225 service from London King's Cross to Leeds, and looks like that might be all. Keep it up, we'll keep it like that for now. We have got another one that's approaching. I always get confused at this crossing because if you walk over here it says Bathley Lane, but there it says Bathley Lane. What's this place meant to be called? Right, so I don't know whether we're having that one first. This is just about to approach Cal. Well, a couple of signals away from Cal. No, yeah, we are staying on that one first. It's just past station. Just past railway station. 1 Delta 19. Very nice thumbnail shot. There'll be no time to put us. There'll be no time to put us up because we'll be back down again for 1 Echo 16. So I think Carlton's going to keep us down. Here we are. Here's train 1. For Leeds. We're staying. I thought we would be. Right, your next is the 1620 Elevator from Edinburgh Wavelength to London King's Cross. Picked at me. They pipped, but they didn't pip at me, I think. It's just past Carlton now. Should wait for a bit. Yeah, I think we should. I think we're going to move on to the next crossing after this. It's gone. Here we are. Here it is. Makes the trains off for a bit. Oh, we're not embraced that one. It's long, isn't it? 1226 for London King's Cross. Thank you. Right, thanks everybody. I'll see you next time.